Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright, the verse for today is Hebrews 11, verse 1. It says, "Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, and the evidence of things not seen." What brought me to this verse was I was at a special draw hunt last week, and you go out all by yourself and stay out all day and hunt, and so I had some time to pray, and I was sitting there and I was praying and asking God to help me with some things. And what came to my mind while I was praying about some stuff that I was asking God to help me with in my life that I just wasn't seeing any progress in, really. And while I was praying, it come to me, and I feel like the Holy Spirit showed me, are you really giving it to me? Whenever I asked God to take this stuff away, He said, I feel like He told me, are you really giving it to me? Or because I'm not seeing a result right off the bat, am I picking it back up and trying to fix it on my own? And once I realized that, then I prayed more, and I told God, I give this completely over to you. Please help me not to pick it back up again. And I prayed for Him to take it into His hands. And since then, it seems like I've been able to help her. And since then, it feels like I've been better. And the stuff hasn't really came up like it was before. And I just feel like God is really helping me. He's helping me just to be at peace with it, to sit still and let Him take control. And I just wanted to share that with y'all and just give you something to think about. Maybe you're doing the same thing. Maybe you're praying for God to help you with something. to help you quit an addiction or something like that. But you don't see it happening, and whenever you're not seeing results, maybe you're picking it up like I was and trying to fix it yourself. It's just something to think about. Let's get on back into the video.